Time check! Sawadee ka, Tukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Good morning, Teacher Pistao.
Thank you.
Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, Teacher Namtan. Good morning, Teacher Maria. Makeup time. And I'm done with my makeup. Good morning, Teacher Ming. And let's go to Assembly Hall. Bon appetit! So cold! Bakit na? Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please get your Wisutarangsi notebook. Happy New Year, everyone. Listen, everyone, for our activity today. You are going to write all the things you did last New Year or the things that are unforgettable to you. Write at least 10 sentences. Start now. Goodbye and thank you, class. Good morning, teacher. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Thank you. Happy New Year, everyone. Listen, everyone, for our activity today. You are going to write all the things you did last New Year or the things that are unforgettable to you. Write at least 10 sentences. Start now in your notebook. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please get your Wisutarangsi notebook. Happy New Year, everyone. Listen everyone, for our activity today, you are going to write all the things you did last New Year or the things that are unforgettable to you. Write at least 10 sentences. Start now in your notebook. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please get your Wisutarangsi notebook. Wanisob. Happy New Year, everyone! Listen, everyone, for our activity today, you are going to write all the things you did last New Year or the things that are unforgettable to you. Write at least 10 sentences. Start now. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please get your Wisutarangsi notebook. Wanisob. Happy New Year, everyone! Listen, everyone, for our activity today, you are going to write all the things you did last New Year or the things that are unforgettable to you. Write at least 10 sentences. In your notebook na, start now. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please get your Wisutarangsi notebook. Wanisob. Lolen, Happy New Year, everyone! Listen, everyone, for our activity today, you are going to write all the things you did last New Year or the things that are unforgettable to you. Write at least 10 sentences. Start now. Ang pao. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay, couple na. Narap dyan, couple ka. Teacher Maria กลับบ้านแล้ว Goodbye, Teacher Corn. See you next week.
Teacher Jen
Teacher Jen is absent. And Teacher Maria กลับบ้านแล้ว
กลับมาแล้วแล้วอ่านน้องเป็น teacher
I don't know, teacher.
I don't know อ่ะ
And I'm home. Home sweet home. Tapos may order tayo. Nasaan yung order natin? Wala dito. Nasaan yung in-order natin? This is it. Ito yung in-order natin sa Shein. Ito ata yun. Isa lang ba? Isa lang ba? Hi guys! So mag-unboxing tayo nitong mga in-order ko sa Shein. Kasi yung mga friend ko ba, nung pumunta ako ng Bangkok, nung nag-New Year ako, sabi nila, bakla, dun ka nga sa Shein mag-order. Mag-download ka ng app na Shein, tapos mag-order ka doon. Ang daming magaganda at bongga at social daw. Mga pangmalakasan na outfitan daw. Kasi palaging sa Lazada talaga ako nag-order ba. So sabi nila, itry mo sa Shein, baka marami ka magustuhan doon. So yun, nabudol tayo, dai. So lahat ito is 1,512 baht siya. So go, mag-unboxing na tayo. Nasa ang huwag nating patagalin pa. Ibang laman ng kahon. Ganyan siya, Shein. Ganyan siya, Shein. Baka akala nyo ito, peke ito ba? Yan siya. Okay. Ay, hindi man mag... Ayaw man mag-unboxing nito. Ang unang product natin ay... Ano ba to? Ano bang product siya? Ah! Ito wala yan. Hindi ko alam kung magkakasya ba siya sa akin talaga. Charan! Paano ba ito sinusuot? Ay, bonggaysyo siya. Parang ganito ata siya. Yung... hindi ko alam, basta. Parang sexy outfit to eh. Ganito siya. Ganito ang style niya. Dapat ganyan. Nakaganyan. Nakaganyan yung atake niya. Ganyan. Hoy! Na para bang? Hoy! Large siya, large. Kasi yun yung pinakamalaki eh. Large. Diyos ko. Next is itong... Yes, ito. Bet ko talaga ito nakita ba? Nakita ko ito na white. Na ano. Ito, na white siya. Ganyan. Saan ba yun? Batones. Batones mo lang siya dito. Tapos, ganyan. Ang kalabasa, batunis. Wait lang ha, bigyan nyo ako ng time para magbatunis. My God. Binatunis na sana muna nila. Ba yun, pinapahirapan pa si ba? Pinapahirapan pa talaga ako magpabatunis ha. Wait lang guys. Diyos Mariosip Marimar. Ang tagal. 4 na batunis. Paano pag lalaki ang nag-unbutton sa atin? Ow! Ganyan siya ang atake. Ganyan yung atake niya, day. Ganyan. And then, itong, hindi ko alam. Ay! Ang short ito ba? Nagandahan talaga ako sa short nito. Ah! Shit! Uy, parang malaki, day. Shit! Ang ganda! Ang ganda to sa likod. Ganyan siya. Next, itong... Bumili din ako ng makeup kit. Makeup kit siya. Basta kompleto na siya. Ang dami din. May mga maliliit pa. Basta kompleto na siya. Makeup kit siya. May mga brushes, pans. Tapos may bag siya. May bag sa loob na. May bag. Tapos para dito sa noo. Ganit yan. Kompleto na siya. Eh, tapos, ipanghuli natin itong malaking box. Ito, feeling ko tops na naman to. Tops. Tops to, pero hindi ako top. Bottom ako. Ito, binagay ko siya dun sa ano. Dun sa red kanina na short. Ganito ang atake niya, day. Pak, ganyan yung atake sa likod. Sobrang sexy sa likod, day. Pak. Yan, binagay ko siya dito. Nakita ko kasi para mabagay silang dalawa ba. And then, ito talaga, ang mahal nito, day. Taran! Ang mahal nito! Parang 500 plus, 600 plus to. Parang 600 plus, 500 plus, hindi ko maalala. Charan! Ang ating boots! Mag-boots na si Akla! Chag! Charag! Oh my God! For the first time kong mag-boots talaga in the history, in my whole life. Like, grabe, in my entire life, ngayon lang ako mag-boots. Ngayon lang ako makakasuot ng boots kasi 43 ang size ng ating paa. Tapos dun sa Lazada nun, meron naman ata 44. Hindi pa ako nakapag-decide. Kaya nito, nakapag-decide na lang ako. Ngayon talaga, boots siya, day. 43, ang laki ng paa, ng paa, or basta malaki ang size ng paa ko, day. Super. 43, san ka dyan? Tapos yung sa Shein, 43 din. Yung pinakahuli yung nakita ko, ewan ko kung may 40, 45 ba, basta 43. Sana hindi siya ano din ba, hindi siya masyadong piot or masikip ba. Ganyan, yun lang, and I'm so happy. Bye-bye, mwah! Charan! Ganyan siya. Ganyan. Ito siya. Titikman natin siya. Delicious. Ay, titikman natin siya. Sarap din. Well, ito. Delicious. Masarap na. Time check. It's 5:48 and let's go to the park. Let's do our jogging exercise. Time check. It's 6:04 and I just arrived at the park. Let's go. Time check, 7:22. Just done with my jogging exercise. Let's go home.